We've all been there, right? Staring at that stack of bills, electricity, water, internet, maybe even your phone bill, and thinking, there has to be an easier way to get these paid. Especially when you're already using Grab for so much else, like your daily commutes or ordering dinner. So, the burning question is, can you pay your bills using GrabPay? Is it a futuristic financial wonderland where all your payment needs are consolidated into one super app, or are we still stuck in the land of multiple payment portals? Let's dive into it. GrabPay has undeniably transformed the way many of us handle our everyday transactions. From booking rides to ordering food, and even for in-store purchases at countless merchants, its convenience is a major draw. The idea of extending that convenience to your essential household bills is incredibly appealing. Imagine earning Grab Rewards points on your electricity bill, or simply streamlining your monthly financial chores. The good news is, for many Grab users, the answer is a resounding yes. Grab has progressively expanded its GrabPay services to include bill payments. This isn't universally available for every single type of bill or in every single region where Grab operates, but the coverage is quite extensive and growing. Think of it this way, Grab is aiming to be a comprehensive financial ecosystem, and bill payments are a crucial part of that vision. So, how does it actually work? Typically, within the Grab app, you'll find a Payments or Bills section. From there, you can often select various categories of bills, utilities like electricity, water, and gas, telecommunications providers for your internet and mobile phone, and sometimes even things like credit card bills or loan repayments. You'll usually need to input your account number and the amount due. The app then processes the payment directly from your GrabPay wallet. It's pretty straightforward and designed to be as user-friendly as possible. One of the biggest advantages of using GrabPay for bills, beyond the sheer convenience, is the potential to earn Grab Rewards. While the reward structure can vary, consistently paying your bills through the app can accumulate a decent amount of points, which you can then redeem for discounts on Grab services, vouchers, or even convert them into partner loyalty points. It's a nice little perk that adds value to an otherwise mundane task. Another benefit is the improved financial tracking. When all your payments, from your morning coffee to your monthly rent, are flowing through one platform, it becomes much easier to monitor your spending and manage your budget. No more hopping between different bank apps or payment portals to see where your money is going. Everything is consolidated, providing a clearer picture of your financial outflows. However, it's crucial to remember a few things. Always double-check if your specific biller is supported by GrabPay in your region. While Grab is constantly adding new partners, not every single utility company or service provider will be integrated. A quick search within the app's bill payment section will usually tell you if your biller is listed. Also, keep an eye on any transaction limits or fees that might apply, although Grab often aims for competitive or no fees for standard bill payments. In essence, GrabPay is indeed becoming a go-to option for managing your bills, offering a blend of convenience, rewards, and consolidated financial oversight. It's a testament to how super apps are evolving to meet a wider array of consumer needs, making our digital lives a little bit simpler, one bill at a time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.